Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add phone number on your Roblox account using your mobile device. Adding your phone number to Roblox can help recover your account if you ever forget your password, and it also adds an extra layer of security. So let's get started. First, launch open the Roblox application on your smartphone, or you can also go to the official Roblox website. Next, log in with your username and password, and from the homepage of Roblox, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Account Info. Once you open up the account info, this is where you manage your personal details. Tap on Add Phone Number right next to the Phone Number button. Now select your country code from the list and type down your phone number that is available to you. Once you do that, click on Continue. On the next page, you will be asked to enter the 6-digit verification code that you received via the phone number that you entered, and once you enter the code correctly, you will be able to change your phone number or add your phone number in Roblox. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.